how to change audio output on Soundation. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change audio output on Soundation. So what do you do first? First of all, log into your Soundation account, then select the project whose audio output you would like to change. So by selecting a project, you'll be taken to the projects page, right? And then on this page, you'd wait for it to load first of all. Once that's loaded, you can see the different options, the settings that you had on the project. And once you've done that, in order for you to set your in order for you to change your audio output, all you need to do next is to move to the top right corner of the screen. There you can see some icons which include share, you can see studio library, project, etc. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to go to the audio whose output you would like to change on the studio interface, and then you right click on it. By right clicking on it, a list of options will be displayed, and then you will see the different audio outputs available. We have the MIDI file, we have the WAV, we have the export channel as WAV. So in order for you to change your audio output, this shows that you have to be using the paid version of Soundation. So if you want to change your audio output, ensure you've upgraded, or you can just come to this page, click on the output method that you want, click on it, click on upgrade, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to perform or carry out some prompts in order for you to be able to upgrade your account. And then once your account has been successfully upgraded, you can now get this audio in another format of output. All right, so this is how you can change your audio output easily. Thank you for watching and have a good day.